All right, we have this question here. In the lottery game, a player picks 6 numbers from 1 to 21. If the player matches all 6 numbers, they win 30,000. Otherwise, they lose 1. So it's asking for the expected value. Whenever I'm doing an expected value problem, I like to draw this chart here. So I'm going to draw 3 vertical lines, like that. And then depending on the number of outcomes, I'll draw anywhere from 2 to as many as I need horizontal lines. You'll see once we do one together how many lines you'll need. So on the top, I'm going to write outcome. That's my first column. Second column is going to be payout. Third column will be probability. The last column will be multiply. So the first thing I'm going to do is list all the possible outcomes for this. And most of these questions on here, you're either just going to have win or lose. Okay, well, what do you get if you win? Well, if you win $30,000. If you lose 1. So we'll put -1. Now here's the only tricky part, the probability of winning. Well, how many ways can you pick 6 numbers from 21? How many ways can you choose 6 numbers from 21? Choosing 6 numbers from 21, that's just going to be a combination. That's going to be 21, choose 6. In our calculator, I'm going to do 21. Go to math, probability, NCR, 21, choose 6. So there's 54,264 ways. 54,264 ways. Yikes. Okay, so you have one ticket you bought, and the only way you win is if you match every single number correctly. So if you have a ticket, the only other way the 2 people can win is if they have the exact same ticket. Okay, that means there's only one way to win. So out of all those possibilities, there's only one way you can win. 54,000 out of 54,264, which means there are 54,263 ways that you can't win or you don't win. Okay? Now, the last step is just to multiply your payout column by your probability column. So I'll do 30,000 times this, I get 30,000 over 54,264. Multiply the -1 by that, I get -54,263 over 54,264. And then the very last step is to take these 2 values and add them up. So just the way it's written in on the chart, 30,000 divided by 54,264 plus -54,263 divided by 54,264. So you want to keep it as a decimal because this is an expected value, so it's usually monetary. So since this is money, 2 decimal places is good. So it's like -0.45. So you'll lose 45 cents on average every time you play. If you play this game over and over and over and over again.